We're taking a look now at a Poulan Super 25DA automatic chainsaw. A very nice saw for the backyard or camp, a trim saw. The carburetor probably will need to be cleaned and or adjusted. This is a saw that sat for many years, so you will need to consider rebuilding or cleaning the carburetor. Overall, a very nice saw at a very, very affordable price. You can buy this now for only $99.99, shipping included, anywhere in the U.S. That's right, $100 buys this today, shipping included to your door anywhere in the U.S. What's that, you say? You don't live in the U.S.? Vintage King ships anywhere in the world with eBay international shipping. So if you need a classic vintage saw for your backyard or collection, this really nice Poulan 25DA automatic is for you. Click on the link below for pictures and details, or to buy this saw right now for only $99.99, shipping included, anywhere in the United States. Act now, because if you don't, you will have waited too long and it won't be in your garage.